Hello everyone, welcome back to the map mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice exponential problem, and here we have 5 to the power of 1 plus x plus 5 to the power of 1 minus x is equal to 26, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here I will break the exponents of both of the terms, and here we have 5 to the power of 1 plus x, and I will write it as 5 to the power of 1 times of 5 to the power of 1, because here we know that if the bases on both of the terms are same, so that its exponents are sum up. Okay, similarly we can break these exponents and we can write it as 5 to the power of 1 times of 5 to the power of minus x is equals to 26. And after that we will rewrite this term as, so here we can write it as 5 times of 5 to the power of x, plus here we have 5 to the power of minus x, and here I can apply the exponent law, and you know that if we have a to the power of minus m, so it is equals to 1 over a to the power of plus m. Okay, now I can apply here this exponent law, so this term will becomes 5 over 5 to the power of x, and we can take this 26 to the left hand side, so it will becomes minus 26 is equals to 0. So after that we will make this term in simplified form, so that here we take uh, y is equal to 5 to the power of x. So when we take y is equal to 5 to the power of x, so this expression will becomes 5 times of y plus 5 over y minus 26 is equals to 0. Now we can make this expression in simplified form, so that now we multiply each term by y. So when we multiply each term by y, this expression will becomes 5y multiplied by y plus y multiplied by 5 over y minus 26y is equals to 0 times of y. So here we obtain 5y square plus this y is gone, and we get here only 5 minus 26y is equals to 0. Now we can rearrange the terms, and here we get 5y square minus 26y and plus 5 is equals to 0. So here we need any two numbers whose product is 25, because now we can make the factors of this term. So the rule of factor is we can multiply these numbers, and the product of these two numbers is 25, so that here we need any two numbers whose product is 25 and whose sum is minus 26, whose sum is minus 26. So these numbers are whose product is minus 20, whose product is plus 25 is minus 25 times of minus 1, and whose sum is minus 25 minus 1. So now we can multiply y on both of the sides, so that this minus 26y is equals to minus 25y minus y. So now we can put this minus 26y by minus 25y and minus y, so this expression will becomes 5y square minus 25y minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we can take common y from these terms, and here we get 5y times of y minus 5, and here we take common minus 1, and it will becomes y minus 5 is equals to 0. After that here we can take common y minus 1 from both of these two terms, so that when we take y minus 5 common, so it will become y minus 5 times of 5y minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we can take y minus 5 is equal to 0, and The other case is we will take 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we got the value of y is 5 and here we get the value of y is 1 over 5. In the start of the question we will take y is equal to 5 to the power of x, so we will back substitute the value of y and it will becomes 5 to the power of x is equal to 5, and the other case is 5 to the power of x is equal to, here we can take this 5 to the upside, so it will become 5 to the power of minus 1. And here you can see that when you compare both of the sides, so the bases on both of the sides are same, so its powers are equals. So here we get x is equal to 1, and in this case we again compare both of the sides and its bases are same, so its exponents are equal, and here we get the value of x is minus 1. So finally we get here the values of x is plus minus 1. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.